Welcome to this overview of the interface. In this session, we'll explore how to get started and walk through its key features. To use ProContent, you'll first need to sign in. Inside ProPresenter, there's a separate ProContent sign-in button. This account can be tied directly to your church or organization, so your whole team can access the same media library. Once you've signed in, you're ready to go. Head over to the ProContent dropdowns to start viewing content. From here, you can browse pre-made playlists that have been designed by our team. They are designed to help you find the content you're looking for. We even have a playlist titled New that allows you to see what content has been released most recently and in past months. Need something specific? You can also search by keyword in the search bar. Need a background for Easter, let's say? Type Easter. Need a simple motion loop for a hymn? Type nature or abstract. The search helps you find instantly the visuals that match your service. There are also sections for free content and premium visuals. Everything is organized so you can quickly find what you need. Previewing is made easy. All you have to do is hover over any item to see it play before adding it to your presentation. If you like it, drag it straight into a slide or playlist. There are no downloads or extra steps. It's already optimized for ProPresenter. ProContent works automatically with your ProPresenter themes and templates, so you don't have to worry about formatting. Everything loops seamlessly and is sized correctly for your screens. Whether you're running a single projector or an LED wall, the visuals are designed to fit. While you can see here all the worship visuals, to find the other content you might need, you'll have to use the ProContent website, and we'll talk more about that later. That's it. You're ready to start using ProContent in just minutes. In the next videos, we'll look how to make the most of the free content, worship backgrounds, sermon series packs, and more. ProContent is all about saving your team time and making it easy to create beautiful presentations. Explore the library, pick what works for your service, and you'll see just how simple it is.